non-political. Non-political. And please, please don't try me. Musinijaribu. Ukileta utoto, nitapita na wewe. Yeah. Yeah. I am a man on a mission. Yeah, I know what this country and this administration is expected to achieve, and we don't have time. Mimi mwenyewe sileti personal issues. Kwa nini uniletee personal issues zako? Yeah. So if there is a way we can have a smaller committee of people who are not here to discuss another leader, that is not the agenda. Misuse the platform, we will embarrass you. And we don't want to go there. If you misuse the platform, tutakuembarrass. We don't want to go there. So, alafu baadaye, we will discuss the way forward. Going forward, I have said every year, tutakuwa na kikao kama hiki. But in between, we need a smaller group. And I don't know whether I will ask for ideas, how we get a smaller group, which I can be giving an appointment every 90 days. Okay? Of what we have achieved. In between. If it's a bit difficult, because I know, because kuna siasa mahali, I will find a way of reporting back directly. Nitakuja hapo, niitane hapo Mwendanto ama Kinoru, niseme this is where we are, lakini kuna annual review at the end of the year. I'll find a way of reporting back, but I would like ideas during the break. If we can have a small team, non-political. Hey, nonto ndoenu na ibombije. Tunamna hiyo? Ndoenu na ibombije properly. The person who comes, just come. Don't greet us. Just let me read the agreed priorities. Ukimaliza, and I'm the one who will moderate that process. Because everybody in this hall today, order. Imbije kuiboba kuibangite. No, we want to make maximum use of this meeting. And everybody today in this tent is my guest. It's not your guest. When you call your meeting, we will come as your guests. You will treat us the way you want. So please, you cannot come here and use my platform to attack any of my guests. Because you are also my guest. Because you are also my guest. Sinamna hiyo? Yeah. But as soon as we finish, tukitoka, you can now, waroke waba, no yokia madokana hapo kuidete, boka yokia madaga, boka choka ndoene. Tuende na hiyo barabara? Tuende na hiyo barabara? Because this is a very important meeting. We cannot trivialize it. None of us is permitted to trivialize this meeting, including myself. Including myself. I cannot misuse this meeting. Sinamna hiyo? So, kuna watu hapa nikiwaangalia walikuwa na plan kidogo. Lakini ni sawa, there is no problem. There will be a day for that. So once the presentations end, we will take resolutions. This meeting must have resolutions. Sindio? So we'll take resolutions of the meeting. After we take resolutions, nitawaambia vile tutaambiana kwa heri, but we will recognize all the leaders present. we will recognize all of them. All of them, we will recognize all of them. Na kama kuna mtu ametuma apology, tuambiwe so that we record the apology. Hiyo ndio itatusaidia. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Mimi niko available. Make use of my office. Make use of my time. Make use of anything that you can make use of so that as Kenya develops, Meru County is not left behind. And because munanijua,